We're learning more about the investigation into Nancy Guthrie's disappearance. Over the weekend, there's been a flurry of activity by investigators, but still no suspects in custody and no signs of Nancy. Reporter Caroline Elliott has the latest in Tucson, Arizona.
The search for Nancy Guthrie is now entering its third week, but as far as we know, investigators still do not have a suspect in this case.
What I know is, we found DNA. And
it was not Nancy Guthrie's DNA.
That was not Nancy Guthrie's DNA. So we'll still work with that, and we're working with our lab on that.
The investigation into the disappearance of Nancy Guthrie enters day 15, as detectives hope new DNA evidence could provide some answers.
400 cops out there, they all have hope.
Over the weekend, the Pima County Sheriff's Department conducted multiple searches focusing on homes at the Catalina foothills, not far from Nancy Guthrie's home. Investigators detained at least 4 people Friday night for questioning, but they were later released.
But at the same token, this is not at a loss, because there may have been information that law enforcement was able to extract from all of the individuals involved as we move forward in the investigational process.
In one search, the FBI seized a gray Range Rover about 2 miles away from Nancy Guthrie's home. Investigators were seen taking photos and collecting evidence before towing the car away.
They're probably going to be testing for hair and fiber, see if there's any blood spatter inside, any DNA that can be pulled off of it.
The FBI now counting on the public to take another close look at this surveillance video from Nancy Guthrie's doorbell camera, searching for a man described as 5'9" or 5'10" with an average build. The Pima County Sheriff's Department tells us several DNA samples have been sent to a private lab in Florida for testing. Meantime, the sheriff also told us we should expect daily police activity here in the Tucson area as investigators continue following up on leads. In Tucson, Arizona, Caroline Elliott, Fox News.